So many times that people are on your shop and they look at an item and they favor it and they add it to their collection and then they forget about it. And then you're leaving money on the table. So today I'm going to show you how to set up a favorite item email that goes out to your customers. So in your dashboard here, we are going to go over to the left to marketing, then it's sales and discounts. And we are going to go favorite item. So turn on favorites in your store and you can send them an offer. So we're going to set it up and this is going to give them a coupon if they favor an item and they don't make that purchase. So you can do percentage, fixed amount off, so it's dollar amount, or free shipping. So I'm going to do percentage off and I'm going to do 10%. And so I'm going to do your fave 10. And then I'm going to go create offer. And then got it. Now, if you ever want to shut this off, then you can just come back here to marketing and hit details. And then down at the bottom, stop sending offers and deactivate code is here for you as well. It'll also give you all of your stats. I honestly turned this off so I can make the video, so I lost all my data on it, but you'll be able to see your stats there, and then you'll also be able to see them here with your other coupons as well. Next up, watch this video showing how to set up a thank you message in your Etsy shop so that you can get repeat customers. And I also have a video on 30 digital download ideas so that you can make passive income on your Etsy shop.